Hello everyone. The stream should have started. Blah blah blah, yap yap yap. Okay. Alright, today we're gonna do some boring stuff, basically. Oops. Oh, can't access my own thing. Okay, there we go. Hello. Okay. Hello myself. So just all of these. We can start the smallest one. Let's not distract ourselves. Where can we... Oh shoot. Did I write everyone's name? I think there was like one person. Hopefully I got everyone. If not, I can check my logs. I'll do that after. What am I doing? Okay. Close all of this. There's some really basic changes that I wanted to do overall. I like the documentation that's inside. I'm pretty sure this is not connected to the internet. You can get some cool things there. Although I haven't really used it myself. Probably should get around to utilizing it a bit more. We are locked in, so our first goal is names. So this is connected to the save button. I'm pretty sure if we can do something good. So you just write it here. And so something like this, we should be able to remove some boilerplate code. There is a lot of boilerplate code currently in the files. So I want to check the string for all the characters. So actually, interestingly, on Linux, there are less than on Windows. So Linux problems actually, Linux gamers have a win here, having some few less problems, but I don't think that's the most relevant thing. Also, another high-level thing is that we need to kind of find a way to continue the momentum of the Rixas counteroffensive, or offensive, the winter offensive. I think even if it ends now, it was fine. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Roughly like 200 downloads-ish. Those are fun times. But yeah, getting another public build out will boost numbers. Interesting balancing act indeed. Okay. String find character. Go. I just want the best implementation for this in general. Okay, we can just use the find, that's fine. There's no packed charler? Okay. So just going for a normal array. That's fine. Nothing fancy needs to be done, so we don't do anything fancy. It's that simple. Double quote. Rixas, sorry. Godot string include double quote. Okay, so we need to put a backslash. Interesting. I didn't know that. It's a useful thing to know. Include backslash in string Godot. Okay, so you need 2 backslashes. Yeah, we're going back into some interesting string logic that I forgot. I think I've had to deal with something like this for a long time, actually. Oh well. Yeah, I've actually never had to use a slash within the Godot game. Or at least a backslash. Yeah, so something like this can be done like this because it doesn't have to be performant. That's good. For I in range substrate dot size. Oh yeah, so many people are talking about DeepSeek nowadays. I'm in a pretty funny stage where AI is no longer helpful. Or where I'm at. Both like academically and in personal stuff. That's been an interesting topic as well. I forget. I'm usually cooked when I stream, as in my brain's not functioning perfectly, but you can try. Substrate that size. It should be easy. I don't know why my brain is not working. second. What? Substrate I 0. Int. I'm always tempted to name every variable potato. I think I've been saying potato too much. Oh well. We can try... I think temp index is usually... Oh. Indication of me using too much of other languages. Brain's not functioning. Okay. So do temp index equals this. And if temp index is does not equal to -1, then we return false. Otherwise, we return true. Okay. That should have been really easy. For some reason I was struggling on that. Okay. So we just need to plug this in into every little function potato that we have. So here... So if global info dot check file name, and then we do parent propellant dot propellant name. And then we need an indication that tells you if the file name is illegal. Also, funny thing is that I'm currently taking human-computer interaction, and Rixas is yeah, not user-friendly. Who would have thought? You're gonna go for some... Does this work? Okay, we have a confirmation dialog. And then it goes somewhere. Okay, pop-up centered. I think we can do something similar, but with the normal one. Let's see. alert. Okay. Your Is there more? File names cannot end in a space or a dot. Okay. Interesting. So spaces and dots are forbidden. Blah blah blah. Hey Mika. Pretty sure brackets are also not allowed. Try to rename something that I have. Oh, we can't. Interesting. How are you doing, Mika? Anyways, this is a lot more complicated than I thought it was going to be. Uh-oh. Oh well, let's just continue on with this for now. String manipulation. We love string manipulation. We love Windows. Windows is a great company. Windows 10, Windows 11 is the best operating system ever. I think that should cover most of the exceptions. Yeah, Linux has more. I mean, has less. Windows has more. I'm just gonna assume that everyone the Windows standard, since it's tighter, and since people will be sharing designs. Does this do? Does it go away when you press OK? We'll get there when we get there. Okay. This should cover some of it. I'm gonna restart. Yeah. So I'm not gonna check for all of those. Those are different from Windows and Linux, for sure. Pro tip, don't use 4-letter or 3-letter names for your designs. I guess. Yeah, that's alright. The one just as big. Okay. I think we did a decent job. If check int access last character of string Godot. I'm pretty sure Godot does not like using -1. I think it's called like string.length or something. String concentration. String manipulation. Usually don't ever have to do this. It's quite interesting. Well. Trim suffix? Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll see. I just saw in the documentation. I don't know what this. Oh, it's called R strip. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do it up there. I'm blind. Okay. This should work. Okay. That's good. It's a potato cannon. It fires potatoes. It can be used to disable the Panzer II Alp C. Okay, that works. Oh. That did not work. Oh. Oh. That's why. Okay. Being stupid. That's so true. The government doesn't want you to notice. That's why potatoes are always so cheap and plentiful and used as food. It's to cover up the fact that they're actually the main penetrator in armor-piercing rounds. Depleted uranium is just like a fancy a really fancy like cover-up word. Like, who would actually put uranium in a tank shell? Do you think the tank crew would want to do that? No, obviously, it's safe. It's actually a potato. I can put it here. Okay, that works. I know, right? It's called nuclear waste. They bury those like a kilometer underground. Hey Kong, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Kong/Vincent. Vincent Nguyen. But yeah, welcome. How's your day today? Okay, so we're good with that. And we just need to do this for every single designer. Yeah, we also need to do that. Okay. So I need this framework. So what I'm going to do is... Good? That's good to hear. Next one is cartridge designer. I forgot that the cartridge has propellant, so it doesn't care. Okay, that's good. And then we need this part at the end. All right. So the problem is we don't have that dialogue here, so we're gonna need to copy it. We love copying. I love plagiarizing. That was a joke. Don't plagiarize. So you're gonna have to hide those. Okay, fortunately that worked. We prevented a tragedy from happening today. Alright. Let's snip this. I don't know actually. I'm pretty sure it's pretty long. I've had some pretty long names and they haven't hit the cap. Oh, really? Okay. That's interesting. Me when limitations. Uh-oh. We might have to separate that in the future. That's unfortunate. We love long file names. That's so based. $32K. Yeah, that sounds about right. Okay, that one works. What? Where are the prints? Okay. That must be like legacy code 15 decades ago. I was like, why is that showing up at the bottom? That makes sense though. Yeah, I know, right? You can't use your fancy compound words anymore. So true. It's so unfortunate. How much does a B movie have? I know, right? Has to be the Shrek script, and then whatever your design name is. Oh wow, that's a lot actually. It's a very dialogue heavy movie. I should find a different approach. I think there's a better way though. It's if someone press save and they don't see it, they don't know if it saves or not. Oh yeah, that's true. Me when the beeves move around. Beeves? I don't know why I said beeves. Yeah, I think this one's pretty good though. Just back to save design. Design saved. Where would it go? We have to think about that. Would it go like here? Because right now, if they save it, it just saves. It's only if there's something wrong that doesn't let you save with the name. On the button. Isn't it kind of weird to shift the entire thing though, when you press it? And when you press it doesn't save, is it going to do like a really long thing? Where does the pop-up go? Yeah, so right now, the thing is that the error is really long. And then when you press it, the thing is that it's not natural for the person to press it because people still save stuff even if there's errors in it. They're gonna be like, oh, I didn't know that my design didn't save. I'm trying to think of a good way to place it. If that was to be the case. We're doing noob trap removal. Yeah, right now I think it's fine. It's not something that you'll see. Something that only new people will see most often. You can get rid of it with just a enter on your keyboard. The trenches are going untouched from what you saw yesterday. They exist. Just implement all of them at once. Unit design? Is it like for the just the design window? There's some interesting stuff going on here. But yeah, that was a thoughtful discussion. Also, we're probably going to change the weapon tactical icons to be more British. Yeah. What Yahtzee made sense in the visual distinctiveness. So yeah, I guess it's more practical and important. Like for the weapon emplacements. Magazine. Let's get this up. And the grenade. It's 5. Wow. Yeah, I know. They're simple, it's just... It makes sense that it doesn't... You can't really tell that well from afar what they are. Okay, that's good. I've left the magazine screen. So just this. And then this is here. Oh, it's right there. You have a scroll. And then grenade. Might need to do some lighting on the grenades, but save that for later. Something like that. Okay. Should be all the ones for weapons. Could probably do it. Save area. That part could be unboiler plated further. Oh, this one has this as well. That's interesting. Very helpful comment from past self here. Yeah, sorry, Mika, I wasn't paying attention to chat. I forgot which part you're referring to. Me rambling, as they say. This looks different. Okay. Oh, I guess this series is it. We're doing the quality of life for switching between screens. Yeah, trying to figure out something faster, like having all the buttons together on the firearm range. It's in like a square or something. I was thinking about hotkeys. I think I'll do them later. Because I need to ship this update. Okay. That could be an interesting option. Yeah, I don't want to run into the problem with Aurora with the multiple screens thing. Even in Aurora, you can only design one thing at a time, and you have to manually refresh the windows for each designer, which is a thing. Oh, like in Aurora, it splits into multiple screens. Okay. Oops. Okay. That's weird. My Aurora is just broken. Anyways. What's that? Yeah, that would be interesting. Oh, I think the main concern I had was it would be difficult for someone to like record or stream their thing if they only had one monitor. Yeah, it would be difficult to stream or record Rixas if you only have one monitor and want to do other stuff as well in the background, because you would have to enable your settings to see the other screens. Yeah, and also people reading. Because a lot of the Rixas people are older. Need reading glasses already. Oops, where was I? Okay. Oh, I thought you were talking about separate windows for multitasking. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think embedding them in the main one would be... I think it would feel kind of cancer, not gonna lie. Since there's so many options. Also, I feel like the visualizers would work less well in smaller windows. Maybe, potentially. Probably a way around that though. In the future, I will do like hotkeys, so you can easily switch between windows of the same category. I think you can use like the sub viewport thing, but I'm not sure if that's meant for that. What's that do up there? I don't know, I did that. Oh, whoops. That's with the dialogue. Okay. The toggle full screen button is not broken. I think one problem that has happened is if you leave your computer on for too long, then the full screen may not work. Oh, you can't unfull screen the game? Okay. So I think you might have like a partial full screen. Try pressing the Windows key and like a direction. So on a smaller screen, it does look like it's full screen when you initialize the game. It's actually not full screen. It's kind of like a borderless window thing. I'm not sure if that's the case for you. Yeah. Yay, it worked. Oh, so what screen resolution are you using for the smaller screen? What size is the screen for the smaller screen? Because my laptop's main screen is pretty small. It's like 1680 by something, and it still reads perfectly. But I haven't tried it for even smaller screens. Okay. If it's that small, I don't think it should be a concern. Because a computer that could play... Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Vertical monitor Rixas? Holy hell. Oh, 2 Rixas instances at once. Truly a gamer. Designing for 2 different factions. This one does do that. Also the crate screen, I forgot. Oh, belt link as well. Okay. There's a lot more designers than I remembered initially. I think the belt link is in this thing, or is it different? It might be different. Thankfully, no one signed the petition to bring back the spring designer. And some people just don't know about it. Uh-oh. Mika has learned about the cognito hazard. That's the spring designer. I think when I was thinking about it, I remember it not being that simple when you think about it. Especially with like the different material properties. I'll show you something cool. Yeah, so this one doesn't exist. This right here is a hallucination. Oh yeah, some of the corrosion aspects are implemented into the game already. Extra poison damage. So true. Why is Splatoon even open? So real. Hey Altitude, we're currently working on not letting beginners kill themselves with file names. We still need the crate designer, and then there's one more, which was in here. Yeah, belt designer. It did include it. Yeah, game AIs are really neat. Do you mean like the traditional game AI or generative AI in gaming, or in-game AI, or neural network game AI? Traditional. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Well, this one does that too. Okay. I guess it's a bit of a trend. Actually, I'm just gonna enslave the green testers, and then I'm gonna make you play against the neural network Rixas AI for thousands of years, and then we can make that work. so real. Printers are cool. Yeah, something like that makes sense. Obviously, you're obviously gonna try to supervise it and have it do goal-focused stuff, since that's what you want it to do. Okay. So that should be good for that. So we're good. Now all that's left is the create screen. And we can check out those two. Oh, this one doesn't use it. Okay. There are two elfkins inside you. One of them updates the whoa. One of them updates the name in the save design. One of them updates them in the updater. Here. The Rixas one is going to be a bit different though. Which is like, it's kind of mitigated because the player has less agency over what they do. Over what the army does at least. So it's more of AI versus AI, but still you can modify your AI through kind of the stuff that you do. So it's kind of more focused on balancing that, making sure decisions work there, instead of Hoi 4 microing your divisions into doing funny encirclements. Yeah, kind of like that. Yeah, just 100x more advanced. That was always the name of the game. That's why you guys are here. I thought super heavy tanks work best from the depths, honestly. That's probably the one universe where they are the meta. That's so true. Air power. My super heavy tanks top armor when they see a 500-kilogram bomb. Yeah, big everything is the meta in From the Depths. Big guns, big shoots, big altitude, which is important. You don't want your things to touch the water. Oh, that's cool. I've never really got into meta building. So true. Just dodge. So easy. From the Depths meta vehicle be like, if your weapon isn't hit scan, you can't hit me. Which update? Is it the camera update? I think the camera update was fine. Wasn't miserable for the most part. I don't know what updates there were, though. I heard of some rumors of, like, shell type changes. Oh yeah, I heard that flak does not deal damage to vehicles anymore. Which is so sad. A lot of my traditional style builds have like flat guns. Now we gotta do 360-degree frag like a normal person. Well, not normal person, insane person. Oh yeah, I remember the days when 1-degree frag was broken as hell. The devs did rightfully nerf that to the ground though. Back then when there was no heat missile, your 1-degree frag was the heat missile. It just clips through armor as well, because the bullets don't spawn in properly. Fragments. Yeah, that would be cool. I think the problem is just like how you make your arm limp. Because you want like the player immersion. Like you don't really want them to move their arm after. So my idea is that we forcibly build an exoskeleton and then we forcibly move the player's arm down once they get shot. Rixas will have the Rixas VR DLC, where you'll be able to fire your weapons in partnership with hot dogs, horseshoes, and hand grenades. And a game mode is that you'll be able to sit in a foxhole and fend off incoming attacks at 500 meters. So you want to be able to see your enemies. I kind of want a VR game where you just sit in the foxhole for hours and do daily maintenance, and then once every random 2 day or day, there's just an attack that you have to fend off, and most of it's just suppressive fire, and you don't hit anyone, and they run away. It repeats. And also hiding in your dugout from artillery bombardments, which lasts 30 minutes. I tried to kind of replicate that in Minecraft. I have some Minecraft videos about it that. I don't think I got very far though. Because the problem is that mobs don't load in above 64 blocks on a normal server. Yeah, I saw the Onion video. That was really funny. Bum bum ba 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 bum 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 ba dum ba dum bum 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 bum. Yeah, all of them work. It's good. Alright, the Snoop trap is done. I will no longer hear any bug reports about people saying that their files disappeared, unless it actually disappeared. Which in that case, that's unfortunate, but... Anyways, moving on to buttons. So true. French ointment is real. Oh, I see. So real. Ointment designer when? Okay, we're gonna have to chemically synthesize fusidin, mometosine fusidin, to apply on rashes for our soldiers. Because of their wool leggings, which suck, but protect against the cold, but now they have rashes. Okay, so firearm range, rock screen. They're gonna be fake, obviously. They're not gonna be real chemicals. You see, I do not like getting into legal trouble. Ketchup gas. So true. Yeah. We probably make this a... Yeah, no, that makes sense. You guys don't panic. Alright, there we go. We have ketchup gas. I don't know any popular war chemicals. Military chemicals. Sorry. Yeah. I have blanked out. Incredible. Chlorine gas? Sarin gas? Anyways, the people in the Rixas universe are pretty ethical, so might take them some time to research gas warfare. Calm down, guys. It's fine. You see, shotguns aren't a war crime because they are cool. Shotgun, machine gun, so yeah, an aircraft, it might have been fine. Rixas Fantasies. For a ground base, it probably wouldn't work that well, because even though shotguns are pretty long range, planes usually still are fly well above the effective range, even in World War I times, I think. True. I guess it might be like a purely defensive weapon. I'm actually trying to search up why shotgun machine guns don't exist. Oh, so far I haven't been able to find anything. Oh, okay. So it really depends on the shotgun, I guess. Yeah. I saw like a test for like 100 meters. Makes sense. Unfortunate. This is why you have, what is it? Indirect fire shotguns. Yeah, well, it's the canister shot? Yeah. It's like a giant shotgun, that's true. The M1 Abrams canister shot. Really an amazing invention. I wonder how many of those they usually carry on deployment. But yeah, I'm guessing if a tank is forced to use some kind of canister shot, you're already kind of screwed anyways. So. Yepers. Never leave your tanks without infantry support. Nuh-uh. Yeah, this is why you have the Valkyria Chronicles. What is it? Medium Empire tank. I forgot what the thing was called. Yeah, the Empire's medium tank, which had a machine gun in the rear of the turret. It's hilarious. Try to find it. Yeah, Imperial tanks. Medium Imperial tank, I think. Yeah. Look at this goober. Yeah, so the right turret on that tank is actually a mortar. It's kind of crazy. So it has 3 turrets on the front, and then 1 machine gun turret on the rear. It's 1 mortar turret, 1 cannon turret, 2 machine gun turrets. Casemates, actually. Okay. Me when rear MG turrets. Wow. Nah, French tanks were kind of cool. Well, some of them. The Somua was really cool. Yeah, the S-35. Trounced on most of the German armor. They were just horribly tactically positioned. What is going on? Okay. We're gonna recreate Engine Simulator from, I forgot his channel. So true. We're gonna literally be all the games, but in a concise package. Wow. With a grand campaign. It's crazy. You see, we're gonna get funding, and then we're gonna buy out all their studios, and then put in their technology. Okay. So true. Did you know that artillery is cool? No. We're gonna strap 16 20mm cannons together in a circle and then make that our field cannon. And they're all gonna be timed to hit the target at the exact time. Like the modern modern systems. So true. Mines. Man, mines are gonna suck. Me when I minefield. So true. Signal do we have? Alright, I think I'm gonna end the stream here. Head out later. Gonna finish this up quickly. Alright. See ya, guys. Bye.